Today topic is about catalysis. So before studying the catalysis, we will study what is catalyst. Let's define the catalyst now. So Berzelius in 1835 used the word catalyst first time, okay, for some substances which alter the rate of chemical reaction. What is the meaning of alter the rate of chemical reaction? Suppose you are preparing some product like A plus B will react, will form C. It takes 5 minutes, and if I add some extra agent to the reactant, it completes in 1 minute or it completes in 30 minutes. Either rate of reaction will decrease or will increase. Such substance which changes the rate of reaction, which alters the rate of reaction, or which either increases or decreases the rate of reaction, that substance is known as catalyst. So you must remember, catalyst can decrease the rate of reaction and can increase the rate of reaction, no problem, okay. But normally what people think is catalyst will increase the rate of reaction. It's true, but it can decrease also, okay. So that's why the suitable word is alter. So which alter the rate of chemical reaction, okay. And the next important point is what? And themselves remain chemically and quantitatively unchanged. I mean, agent, whatever the catalyst you are adding, okay, just to alter the chemical rate of chemical reaction, that catalyst, its property will not change. Catalyst property will remain same, okay, and amount of catalyst will not change. Amount of catalyst will also remain same after the reaction, dear student. And this whole phenomena through under which we are altering the rate of chemical reaction with the help of catalyst, okay, this phenomena is known as catalysis. I hope you understood the catalysis and catalyst. Who used the word catalyst first? Berzelius. What is the work of catalyst? To alter the rate of chemical reaction. In alter, increasing and decreasing both comes, okay. Let's see the next point about the catalysis. There are two types of catalysis, one is homogeneous, other is heterogeneous. What is homogeneous or what is heterogeneous catalysis? When in any chemical reaction, the reactant, product and catalyst all are in same phase, all are in suppose gaseous phase, then homogeneous catalysis. When reactant, product and catalyst, they are in different phase, then we say it is heterogeneous catalysis. Let's see what is the homogeneous catalysis exactly with the example. See, SO2 is in gaseous state in the first example, O2 also gaseous state, NO gaseous state, NO is the catalyst, SO3 is in gaseous state, SO3 is the product. We can see that reactant, product and catalyst all are in the same phase. So this is the example of homogeneous catalysis, okay. All the three examples are in same category, in homogeneous catalysis only. See the last one, sugar, I mean what we say, sucrose, C12H22O11 aqueous means solution phase, H2O liquid, solution phase means liquid only, H2SO4 liquid, that is catalyst. See, glucose and fructose, that is in aqueous medium, again liquid, all are in the liquid phase. If, dear student, phases are same for the reactant, product and catalyst, it comes under the homogeneous catalysis. Let's see what is heterogeneous catalysis. Its example, SO3 gaseous state, O2 gaseous state, product is also in gaseous state SO3, but the catalyst platinum is in solid state. So in this process, phase is different, catalyst phase is different from the reactant and product. See the last one, vegetable oil is liquid, H2 is gas, catalyst is solid, product is gas. So phases are different actually. In this, I mean these examples are under the heterogeneous catalysis category, okay. Let's see some other points about the catalysis. There are now two types of catalysis. one is positive and other is negative catalysis. What is positive catalysis? If you add some catalyst and it increases the rate of reaction, then we call it positive catalysis. See, SO2 plus O2, you added platinum. Platinum is positive catalyst. It will increase the rate of reaction. See the second example of N2 plus H2, here I added iron. This is also positive catalyst to prepare the NH3. So, such catalyst which increases the rate of reaction, that is known as positive catalyst, and this phenomena is, or this process is, positive catalysis. Okay, let us study the negative catalysis now. See, a substance which decreases the rate of chemical reaction is known as negative catalysis, and this process is called negative catalysis. Okay. So, it will decrease the rate of reaction. Okay. What are the examples of this negative catalysis? I mean, what I want to say is, suppose this is H2O2. Okay. So, the H2O2 here, and what I have taken H3PO4 or glycerol, this is negative catalyst, my dear student, and then it forms H2 and O2. So, H3PO4 or glycerol is working here as negative catalyst. It will decrease the rate of reaction. The very important in this segment is the fourth one. Can you see H2SO3 plus O2, phenol? Okay, when you reach to class 11th and 12th, there you find this reaction, okay, and where phenol works as a negative catalyst. So, these are the examples of the negative catalyst, my dear student. Okay. Let us see the next point, I mean more information about catalysis. One is AutoCatalysis. What is AutoCatalysis? Okay, when one of the reaction product, okay, one of the reaction products, suppose A plus B forms C plus D. So, C and D are the products. Due to any one product, reaction rate increases. Okay. So, that is known as autocatalysis, and autocatalytic reactions are slow in the beginning, but become fast after some time once few amount of product is formed, because the product formed C and D, where C is working as a catalyst, it will increase the rate of reaction. Let us see some examples of autocatalysis now. See, CH3, I mean ester is the first one, okay, and water. Here what happens, ethanol forms, where the acid formed and ethanol forms, where acid is autocatalyst. See the third example, AsH3 converts into As, okay, arsenic plus H2, where arsenic is autocatalyst. So, what I want to say, if any product forms and that product work as a catalyst, that reaction is known as autocatalysis reaction. I hope you understood the autocatalysis. Okay. Let us see the next slide for the more information about promoters or activators. Okay. Few substances are there which are not catalyst, okay, but when they are present, they increase the rate of reaction. I mean, they increase the catalytic activity of the catalyst. They are promoter. So, simply what I want to say is, what happens sometime when you use the catalyst, okay, catalyst will not work properly. Okay, what happens, you have seen in so many schools, in so many places, employees, they do not work properly. Okay, what I saw in so many videos, I do not know they are true or not or false. In government school, I saw that few teachers are not able to answer the question in one particular state. The videos I saw, and they are just taking lot of money from the government, and they are not answering the spelling of February also. Okay, they are not knowing the what is the, I mean the second, I mean scientific names of some other compounds, and they are the chemistry teachers and all. They are taking a lot of money from the government. So, one inspection team came once, and they asked the questions, and they did not answer anything, very basic thing, that what is the symbol of gold, what is the symbol of sodium, they did not answer, and they are the chemistry teachers for the degree courses also. So, what I want to say here is, what is promoter? If those teacher will study, okay, if any teacher will study and then he or she will teach you, So that study process will work like a promoter or activator. That study process will activate the teacher. Then any inspection team will come, he or she can answer, not an issue. But if he or she will not study, inspection team will come, they will ask for what you are taking money. Government is paying you huge amount of money in lakhs and you don't know anything. What's wrong with you? Same thing can be questioned with me also. If I don't study, I will forget everything. I will forget what is promoter, what is surface chemistry. Understood or not? So if I study, I can perform well. If you study, you can perform well in your exam. So that study process is like promoter, my dear student. Understood or not? Okay. Wait. What happens if you are boiling the egg? And if you add, of course, you can boil the egg, not a big issue. But if you add some amount of salt, then boiling egg, this process will bit quicker actually if you add some amount of salt. So that salt is behaving like a promoter. Understanding or not? Okay, leave it. So promoter is such type of substance which enhances the activity of the catalyst actually. Understanding or not? Okay. How it enhances? It increases the active site at the surface. What is the active site? Wait, understand. You understand with the example. You go to college or school, you study there, yes or no? Sometime what happens, you behave like you are very well focused, you are listening teacher, you are totally focused on the board, you are doing everything, but you are not. You are behaving like that. It happens, yes or no? Even I did when I was in class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that, when I was student. Okay. So many students, they do. Their body is in the classroom, but mind is at some other place due to many reasons. Okay. So what happened? You have 2 ears, 2 eyes, you are gaining, means you can gain the knowledge, but it is blocked because your mind is at some other place. So now whether you have eyes or not, you didn't see anything. You didn't capture what teacher taught in the classroom. So what promoter does actually, if I start beating you that why you are not here, why you are not answering my question, why you are not doing my homework, my beating process will work like a promoter, dear student, for your performance. I am damn sure if you are not studying properly and if your teacher will beat you, you will surely perform very nice, or your parents will beat you, your performance will increase. It happens. You start studying, otherwise your parents will beat. You think in that way. Promoter increases the number of catalysts. Then that time what happens? Your eyes will be totally open. Okay, you will not sleep in the classroom. So active side increased. Your both the ears will perform very nicely. You will listen everything what teacher said. So here also active side increased. So many active sites will increase, dear student. Okay, this is what the promoter is. Okay, let's study the next point about this catalysis. See, N2 plus H2. Okay, see the examples, N2 plus H2. So here Fe is the catalyst and MO is the promoter. Can you see that? Fe is the catalyst. If only Fe is there, Fe will not perform well. If only you are in the classroom and teacher is not beating you, not motivating you, your parents are not motivating you, you can't study well, you can't perform well, impossible. In same way, Fe is the catalyst, but MO should be there to motivate the Fe that yes, you can do, yes, you have to do, like that. Vegetable oil plus H2. Okay, here actually what happens, Ni is the catalyst here. Okay, CO plus H2. So here ZNO is the catalyst and promoter is what? Cr2O3 is the promoter. So this is what the promoter, my dear student. Let's see the next important information about this catalysis. See, one is catalytic poison, anti-catalyst or catalyst inhibitor. What is this? Okay, what they are just opposite to the promoter. They are not catalyst. They decrease the activity of the catalyst. If any substance increases the activity of the catalyst, they are what? They are promoter. if any substance will decrease the activity of the catalyst, they are catalytic poison. Let's see the examples of catalytic poison. See the examples. N2 plus H2, Fe is catalyst and CO plus H2S is the catalytic poison. It will decrease the activity of the catalyst. The very important one is Rosen-Mund reduction, this one, very important, Rosen-Mund reduction. What is Rosen-Mund reduction? Why it is very important? In JEE, in NEET, they ask the question from Rosen-Mund in class 11-12. Okay, acid halide converts to aldehyde. Okay, where they can ask you what is the poison catalyst here. So, the poison catalyst is BaSO4 and catalyst is PD, palladium. Okay, RCOCl, acid halide converts to aldehyde. So, this is what the catalytic poison is. I hope you understood this lecture about the catalyst, positive catalyst, negative catalyst, catalytic poison, inhibitor or promoter, and so many important information we gathered in this particular session. Thank you for watching.